Alright. So if you have written it like that, just click on File and go to Save As. Click on File and you go to Save As. Under Save As, you locate where you want to save your file. After doing that, you go to your file type, data type, and you click on the data type delimited. Tab delimited. So you give it a name and save it. You click on Save. Click on Save. So when you click on Save, it will show you another icon like this. Just click Yes. If you are done on ArcGIS, just locate the file and add it on your ArcGIS. If you want to locate the file, click on Connect to Folder. Yeah. Just in case you can't locate your file. Click on Connect to Folder and navigate to where you save it, the folder where you save it. So you see the book and the text tab delimited. Just add the file like that. It will not come out yet as point. We will still have to process it. It will not come out here as point. So you right click on that file and you click on Display XY Data. Display XY Data. You see that under it, you see the XY has already automatically been identified. But if you have reached this stage on ArcMap, just go to Edit. Edit. And you locate the coordinate system. We'll be using WGS 84. Click on Geographic Coordinate System. Scroll down to World. Under Geographic Coordinate System, scroll down to World. Under World, you scroll down to the last, WGS 1984. And you click OK. You click OK. And you click OK again. Click OK again. If you want to change the icon of the future, just click on that button, the black button you see there. So now, for us to make this file a shapefile, you know a shapefile must have an attribute table. It must display as a shapefile format, SHP format. You right click on this one we've just created. Right click on it and you see data. You go to export data. Right click on it. You go to data. Under data, you go to export data. You click on export data and you locate the folder you want to save it as. You see that file, just click on it and locate the folder you want to save it.